Alright, what's up y'all? So today we're going to be learning 3 different core exercises that you can start implementing in your routine starting today. With summer around the corner, doing these exercises are going to help you burn a lot more calories, build that core, and then you're going to have a solid 6-pack by the summer. Now, of course, you have to implement a calorie deficit with your diet. Doing these exercises alone will not do it for you. With that said, let's get to these core exercises so you can start losing weight and building your core today. First exercise that we're going to do is a mountain climber. Now, mountain climbers are amazing to burn calories, build up that heart rate, and then help build your core. It's a full body workout, but it definitely emphasizes on the abs itself. Another quick tip is that if you're implementing mountain climbers, try to do mountain climbers as a superset. So if you're doing, say, deadlifts, after one set of deadlifts, go straight into a mountain climber for 30 seconds and then go back to your deadlift. It's a HIIT workout, and then once you do that HIIT workout, you're gonna start burning more calories. Now, this second exercise is a variation of the mountain climbers. You're gonna be pretty much doing mountain climbers on your elbows, and this is great for people that have really weak wrists or they have an injury on the wrist where they can't put too much load on it. Now, this variation really shocks the muscles and you're gonna really feel it on your front delts as well as your core. So definitely do this for the same amount of time. You're gonna do it 30 seconds, 5 rounds, and then you can also apply the same element of supersetting it in between your regular exercises. Now, after you're done with the mountain climbers on your elbows, you can go straight into a regular plank. Now, you want to keep your core tight. A lot of people do not keep their core tight. They just let their stomach hang, and you really want to keep that stomach and your core very tight, sucking your stomach in as hard as you can. Keep your arms shoulder width apart, flex everything, and then you're gonna have a better plank experience. You're gonna burn more calories because you're flexing every single muscle in your body. So you wanna keep your shoulders very stiff. You wanna keep your arms about shoulder width apart, and you're gonna flex everything. So just like flex your fist and flex. Hold this for about 30 seconds to a minute. Really challenge yourself. You can go over a minute if that's really too easy for you, but I would go 5 rounds and then really contract your muscles. Alright y'all, so hope you guys enjoyed that video. Applying these core exercises to your current routine is definitely going to take it up a notch, and especially with summer around the corner, as I had mentioned, doing these exercises now will help build that foundation and you'll be more than ready for summer. And if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe because I will be posting tons more exercises to help build your summer body and your body in general. So see you guys in the next one.
It's an undeniable presence from the Alpha and Omega, the very essence, the blessings it bestows upon those who let it grow. A soul powerful.